Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for places by using your microphone on the Google Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should, as you can see at the top of the screen, there is this search bar in which you can find a microphone icon, so tap on it. Now you need to turn on the microphone in your phone's settings, so you need to tap on the go to settings icon, and then as you can see, you should allow the Google Maps to access your microphone by tapping on this second icon, this button here. So now you have turned on your microphone. So if you go back to the application and tap on this microphone icon, you are ready to speak and search for a particular place. And here you will see the results on your map indicated by these red icons. And then if you scroll down, you are also going to see, or tap on this show list button down below, you are going to see all the results of that particular place, item, or anything that you want to search for. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.